We guide you through how to link your PayPal account to Gcash. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your PayPal account is already verified and your Gcash app is fully activated with a verified name that matches your PayPal details. Open your Gcash app, tap Cash In, then choose PayPal. You will be redirected to log in to your PayPal account, so enter your email and password carefully. Once logged in, allow the connection between PayPal and Gcash by clicking Authorize or Agree. After successful linking, wait for the confirmation messages that says your accounts are now connected. To transfer funds, go back to Gcash, tap Cash In, select PayPal again, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. Always double-check your link account details to avoid errors. And make sure both accounts use the same name to prevent linking issues. If you encounter errors, log out and try again or reinstall the app or the Gcash app.